Hello and welcome back, friends, in another episode of Learn Agro. Today we'll be learning how to grow date plant at a home in a very simple way. You can see very nice and healthy, fresh and juicy dates over here. You should take the juicy type of dates, not very deeply dried dates. And you can see the seeds, they are also very healthy and they are very fresh. They can easily germinate. So here I'm cleaning these date seeds thoroughly so that all the sweets is removed, and placing in the paper towel and water them up, and you can just put them in a plastic bag, make them airtight so that the moisture will be locked inside. So after a month, I just placed it over here for the protection of the seeds. You can place them in the windows or anywhere you like, just to keep them safe. So you can see how beautifully they have grown here. They grow very slow, but you can see the growth after a while. You can see the roots are twisted. They grow in this way. Their roots are always in a spiral way, but still they grow, and they are always searching for the place so that they can go deep down into the soil. So since there was no soil, so they are just twisted around. So preparing the soil for the dates plant, you can see I'm using 50% garden soil and the 50% compost. You can use the sand if you have, but I don't have sand, so I don't use the sand. So in this also they can do pretty well. So now place the seeds with the pointed side of the seeds downwards toward the soil so that they won't face any difficulties while growing, and just cover them with the soil thoroughly and water them off thoroughly. So since if you water this, like the upper part is only wet, so I'm just watering from down so that putting in water, and they can absorb water from downside as well. So once the pots are completely wet, put them in the plastic bag or Ziploc bag like this, and they are ready to be germinated after a while. Since they take quite a while of time, you need to have a patience, and things will start happening very soon. After 3 months, you can see the Ziploc has created a good environment. That's why you can see the water vapor also on the Ziploc bag. And you can see over here the dates has grown very well. You can see a primary leaf has started to appear, and another you can see over there. They looks like and feels like a needle shape. They are very hard and you can feel them very well. So checking after 5 months, you can see the remarkable growth in them. They grow pretty slow, but still you can see the good growth in them. You can see the nice leaves. They have grown nice leaves. They are strong and leaves are very healthy and firm. You can see there. And checking another part, you can also see that they are also doing quite good over here. So let's check. One of the seed hasn't germinated. Let's find it out what actually has happened to it. You can see the dead root over there. Let's take it out. Oh, you can see the white fungus has appeared to it. That's why it died. So you can see on another seeds, they have grown pretty well. You can place them into the garden and you can grow them over there, or you can also keep them in the pot and make them bonsai out of them. So you can use in any way. You can see the roots over here. They have popped out of the pots from the drainage hole, but still they are growing. So they need more space, obviously. So in this way you can grow the dates plant at your home. Let me give you one tip for my viewers, that don't take too much dried or the old dates, because they won't grow. I have tried earlier with that one, but it was a complete failure project. So I would strongly recommend my viewers that you should only take fresh dates. You can find them easily in market, just look for them. So in this way, friends, you can have date plants at your home. And if you have any queries, please comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you Like my video, please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.